The first step is moisturizing your face. I'm using the Cetaphil moisturizer for dry skin. If you have oily skin, use a gel-based oil-free moisturizer. And if you have combination skin, go in with a lightweight lotion. Let your moisturizer sit on your skin for a few minutes so that it gets absorbed really nicely. To make your makeup long lasting, you need a primer. Primers come with different purposes: mattifying, illuminating, hydrating, pore filling, blurring. Today I have some texture around my nose, so I'm going in with this blurring primer from Lakme. You only need this much primer. If you find your foundation turning grey, it's probably because you're not color correcting. Today I'm going to color correct my under eyes and the redness around my nose. I'm using a darker concealer shade to color correct. Make sure that you only apply your color corrector in the areas that you actually want it. Now, take your foundation out on a steel palette like this or on the back of your hand. You can either use a flat top brush like this or a beauty blender to blend your foundation. Always start off with a very less quantity. Now I'm going to spread the foundation all over the palette and make sure that the brush is evenly coated. I'm pressing the foundation into my skin and not dragging it. Do not apply foundation under your eyes or on your eyelids. I have used the K-Beauty foundation, which is a light to medium coverage foundation. Towards the end, you can go in with a beauty blender to smooth out any lines and to get rid of excess product. And this is what your foundation should look like at the end.